After the base level of a building has been defined, you can define the floor slab. To begin, from the text menu, select Geometry, Floors. The Floor dialog displays. From the Properties group, expand the Thickness dropdown. Select TH250. Next, expand the Model dropdown and select Shell. In the drawing area, click to place the coordinates of the floor slab, selecting adjacent corners in a sequence. Select the first corner close to the perimeter. The XY coordinates for the floor perimeter are as follows: 0, 0, 4.5, 0, 4.5, 3.2, 6, 3.2, 6, 0, 11, 0, 11, 11, and 0, 11. A floor displays in the drawing area. Back in the floor dialog, click Close. Defining floor slabs is a simple process with robot structural analysis.